Have you ever wondered if your phone calls are being tracked? Or if your online activities are being monitored? It's a growing concern in today's digital age, and one that's often overlooked. Today, we're going to dive deep into a specific app, RingCentral. Can this popular communication platform track your location? RingCentral is a cloud-based communication platform that offers a variety of features, including voice, video, and messaging. It's widely used by businesses and individuals alike, and it's often considered a reliable and secure option. But is that really the case? Let's break down what it means for an app to track your location. Essentially, it means that the app can determine your physical location using your device's GPS or other sensors. This information can then be used for various purposes, such as targeted advertising, personalized recommendations, or even more sinister activities. The RingCentral privacy policy. The first place we should look for answers is the RingCentral privacy policy. This document outlines the app's data collection practices and how it uses that data. A quick scan reveals that RingCentral does indeed collect location information. However, the policy states that this data is used to provide you with location-based services, such as emergency calling and local directory listings. Emergency calling and local directory listings. While these are legitimate reasons for collecting location data, it's important to note that RingCentral doesn't explicitly state that it won't use this information for other purposes. It's possible that the company could sell or share this data with third parties, although there's no concrete evidence to suggest that they do. Third-party integrations. Another factor to consider is RingCentral's integration with third-party apps and services. Many of these integrations involve sharing data, including location information. So, even if RingCentral itself doesn't directly track your location for nefarious purposes, it's possible that other apps could access this data through their integration with RingCentral. Best practices for protecting your privacy. Regardless of whether RingCentral is tracking your location, it's always a good idea to take steps to protect your privacy online. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind. Review app permissions. Regularly check the permissions granted to apps on your device, including location access. If an app doesn't need location data, revoke the permission. Use a VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, can help to mask your IP address and protect your online privacy, including your location. Be mindful of third-party apps. Be cautious about sharing personal information with third-party apps, especially those that you don't trust. Keep your software updated. Ensure that your device's operating system and apps are always up to date with the latest security patches. So, can RingCentral track your location? The answer is yes, but the extent to which it does so and how it uses that data remains unclear. While the company claims to only use location data for legitimate purposes, there's always a risk that this information could be shared or sold to third parties. With that said, it's important to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect your privacy online. By following the best practices outlined above, you can minimize the chances of your location data being misused. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or concerns about RingCentral or online privacy in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech-related content. Until next time.